Tyson, the Subaru specialist from Subaru Prince George here, and today we're taking a look at the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Onyx in the Magnetite Gray Metallic. This is one trim under the absolutely fully loaded model. So you've got steering responsive LED headlights with high beam assist. You can tell it's an Onyx from those yellow fog light surrounds with those LED fog lights. You've got 18-inch black painted aluminum alloy wheels, and we've got 8.7 inches of minimum ground clearance along with Subaru's full-time legendary symmetrical drive. For the 26 model, Subaru has blacked out the badging on the rear, easy access to the hatch, and we have a ton of storage in the back of the Crosstrek, way more than people would expect with the exterior size. We've got a halogen cargo light that'll shut off when we close the hatch. We've got nice hard mount physical tie downs in the front corners. We've got cup/bottle holders for tailgating in the rear, and we have grocery bag hooks on either side so your groceries don't go tumbling around when you take corners. There's a privacy cover that hides everything from the top of the seats down, which is easy to remove. Easy close hatch. And the Onyx is the first trim level to receive the backup sensors integrated into the rear bumper, and they'll actually apply the brakes if it thinks you're going to hit something in reverse between speeds of 1 and 15 kilometers an hour. In the second row, there's way more passenger volume than people expect. Tall people will fit, longer legged people will fit, and all of the Onyxes get the light and dark gray two-tone cloth upholstery with the yellow bolsters. There's a fold-down armrest with integrated cup holders, and out of the center console, we do have illuminated USB ports A and C for charging. Keep everyone connected on those longer trips. There's a matte back pocket on the rear of the front passenger seat, and if you need it, you do have easy access to the latch system, the lower anchors and tethers for children. For 2026, Subaru has added 10 airbags to the Crosstrek. We've got a soft touch armrest with color contrast stitching and a bottle holder below that. And then if you need it, child lock is really easy to use. Up front, the driver door card is going to look very similar to that of the rear, except the door card is soft touch, as is the armrest. The front two windows are auto, which is one touch down and one touch up. A little bit more storage and a slightly larger bottle holder. The Onyx is the first trim level to get a power seat, including lumbar support, and it's the same seating material up front as it is in the second row, but these seats are specially designed for long distance travel. You're less fatigued because you get less vibration and harshness through them, and we do get the aluminum pedal covers with the rubber grippies in the Onyx. Inside the Onyx Crosstrek with it running, we have our leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. Got our Bluetooth and audio controls on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, so you can make and take calls, control the volume of the calls, access Google Assistant or Siri through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And on the right, we have our adaptive cruise and our lane centering. Both of those systems use these three black boxes, these color stereo EyeSight cameras to look for cyclists, road lines, pedestrians, and other vehicles. We have paddle shifters on the back of the steering wheel, so we can manually select our own gears should we wish. They have added the EyeSight Assist monitor to the Onyx for 2026. So you get those little LEDs on the windscreen, and they indicate different things, part of the EyeSight system. We get the DriverFocus system at the top there. It'll scan your face, tell you if you're distracted or drowsy while behind the wheel. We have an 11.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system below that. We still have physical buttons, physical volume and tuning knobs, which is really nice. When you put the Crosstrek in reverse, backup camera pops up, rear assist braking's on, parking sensors are on, and as you turn the wheel, those lines change, show you where you're gonna end up. And the best part, you can clean the backup camera from inside the vehicle. Below that, we've got our climate controls, and we do have physical buttons for the temperature. It goes up or down in 0.5 degree increments, or we simply touch the screen. We can drag, we can click, we can sync, control where we want our airflow being directed, if we want AC, max AC, all of that on. Then we've got our fan strength buttons that are really hard to miss, which is nice. Below the screen, we've got two USBs, an auxiliary, and a 10-watt wireless charger. Don't have to have it charging if you don't want. As I mentioned, automatic CVT with manual mode for the paddle shifters. Heated seats high and low for both the front passenger and the driver. With the cloth, heats up very, very quickly, which is nice. These offset cup holders have drink raisers if you've got short drinks, or take them out if you've got super tall drinks. 12-volt power point for any charging. We do have a soft touch armrest with a ton of storage in it and a place to run cords out of. And then up top here, we have our SOS and roadside, part of the My Subaru Connected Services trial you get with most new Subarus. And then our sunroof controls, tilt and slide for regular size sunroof. That is a quick look at the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Onyx in the Magnetite Gray Metallic. You can find that down here at the corner of 1st and Victoria, Subaru of Prince George.